All right, right now I'm going to answer the question of what happens if the other driver does not have insurance or not enough insurance. A lot of times in California, especially, people get into accidents and the other driver has 15,000 in insurance or no insurance at all, and it's a big problem because people they get into accidents. People get severely injured. Their medical bills start piling up. They're losing time at work, so they're not getting their paychecks, and things are just happening. Things are, you have a house to run. You have to pay your bills, pay your rent or mortgage, whatever, and there's just no way to get this done. So, what is the answer to this? It's called uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Very, very important to look into this because essentially what it says is that if the other driver does not have insurance or does not have enough insurance, then the injured person can go after their own insurance and get whatever coverage that they have. So that's why I always recommend make sure your uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage is very high, at least 250,000. You never know what can happen. You never know what kind of injuries you can sustain. You just want that pocket to go after just in case something terrible happens and you need to go after that money. So that's definitely what I would recommend. Another funny thing is that let's say, you get hit by a car, you could still go after and you're just a pedestrian, and let's say that driver does not have enough insurance, you could still go after your own insurance to go after the coverage. It's a very significant nuance that a lot of people don't know about, and they're often surprised. Auto v pedestrian accidents. When the pedestrians that they ask me very often, why are you asking me whether I have insurance or not? I wasn't in my car, because you can go after your uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, and it's definitely something to look into. I really encourage you to take a look at your what's called a declaration page, see how much coverage you have, UM, and if you don't have enough, then definitely to increase it. It's very important. People usually come to me and they oftentimes don't have enough UM, and it's a sad story a lot of the time. Or you're just very dependent on the other side's insurance, whatever coverage that they have or their employer has if they're driving in course and scope of employment. So you don't want to limit your options. You want to check to make sure that you have enough coverage. And let me know if you guys have any other questions. I look forward to answering your questions. Leave a question in the comment section, and see you soon.